direct front. Lee, you got onto the target. Like that's on you to orient everybody
you
else.
guys are good. Start your patrol.
Where you're taking
right.
fire from. Obviously,
kind of like
it's going to be a little easier if you're getting shot at, but
a little bit more to
it's
the
the
right.
best we can do.
Oh, more to the right?
Targets were orange.
Yep, that's perfect then.
There were other ones deeper, but.
Contact left!
Contact left!
Hey, to your left!
Moving!
Hey, start suppressing!
Snap!
Lee, do you
Snap!
see anything?
Alright, I'm gonna move up!
Yeah, you're taking fire.
To your direct front! To your
From your
direct front!
Fire from your direct front.
Contact front!
Snap!
Hey, Ruben, I'm gonna double down!
Direct front!
Direct front.
Snap!
Hey, I'm moving up. What? Communicate it. He's moving. What should you do?
Hey, Weaver, I'm gonna find maneuver to the left!
Move up, straight
Move
up.
up, gonna go! Double down, dude!
Micro train, micro train.
I'm moving! You're taking sporadic fire!
Sporadic ineffective fire.
Wells, you good?